You know we don't have all day. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. That's good. Chica, no. No, come on, Chica. I don't want this one today. I told you to get me the full week. Now, have you seen it? This isn't nice.
I'm sorry, my queen. I actually thought you wanted to be simple.
Simple? You thought? Please, can you just change it? My son is coming back today at least. You better make me look good today, Chica.
My queen, you look awesome.
Are you done?
No, my queen, you're sure.
Precious God.
Sorry, my queen.
Chica.
My queen.
You don't have to pinch me now, Chica.
Sorry, my queen. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Let's be fast. Let's be fast. Does it mean you can't see again?
I'm seeing, my queen. Sorry. I'm there.
Now that's what I'm talking about. You did a great job, Chica.
Thank you, my queen.
Thank you very much.
You look awesome.
Thank you. That's how it should be. Now here's what I want you to do for me. Go to my son's room.
Yes, my queen.
Tidy up his room. Make sure everywhere is neat. Alright?
Yes,
I need to go see His Majesty. What are you still doing? We are done. Come with me. I need to see His Majesty now. Thank you very much, Chica. Chica, do what I asked you, please.
Right away.
Be fast about it.
Yes.
Honey?
Yes.
You're not?
Ready?
Exactly.
Well, I have been on the phone with the minister for a long time. You know, I have a lot of things I want to tidy up with him.
Honey, and you forgot that our son is coming in today.
I did not forget. I did not forget. I'm going to get ready in a jiffy. Trust me. And by the way, you are looking as gorgeous as ever. Or should I say, more than ever.
Thank you, honey.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I thought you've lost your sense of humor.
Oh no, you know that will not happen. It will not happen. Huh? Now come on.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you.
Get dressed, honey.
Don't worry, I will dress it. Just make sure everything is in the proper place.
Sure,
okay?
I will.
Alright. Tell Chika to come and tidy this place up.
I will do that.
Right.
All right.
And one more thing.
Yes.
Are all my chairs around?
That I'm not sure of, but I will find out now.
Yes, please go and find out and tell them I'll be with them presently.
I will do just that.
Brother.
Dress up, honey.
I will.
What is it?
You always know how to call somebody at the wrong hour. Don't you know I have duties to observe here? And? Where's my son? What are you saying? Is he with you? Whatever, where is he? Stop, I don't know. What are you saying exactly? Have you forgotten the prince will be returning today? Okay. Listen, I think I have to go. I am being summoned. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go and walk. It's food now. You'll be doing your man like
Tell me the reason or reasons behind this emergency worthless maid conference. Talk to me, my friend.
Sorry. Sorry, man. She's the one. She's here. She's resting. It's not me. Rest is.
And both of you are still standing here like zombies.
Sorry, ma. Sorry. Sorry. She's wrong. Sorry.
I don't know why the Igbo is not here. Hey, go up. Tell me about the prince's arrival.
Prince is here. Oh my God, that's my prince. That's my prince.
My son!
My prince!
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Look at
Yeah.
honey, you've added.
I've just been having pizza. How are
You
you?
look good. I'm good.
Thank you.
Your Highness. Your Highness. Your Highness. Her Majesty says she informed you that the prince have arrived. Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Happy to see you.
You're welcome. They pray with the prince.
Happy to see you.
It's okay.
And thank you so much for being the custodian of the Igbo culture. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Chief. Yeah.
No.
Thank you very much. How are you, sir?
Fine.
How's the family? Great. Thank you, Chief.
I'm okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
Sorry.
Your Majesty!
Who's screaming?
What's that?
Your Majesty!
Good.
What do you mean what is happening? Do I know? Was I not here with you? Okay, go and check now. Oh, okay, I should be the one to go and check. Go and check. Go and check now. Wait.
Dad. Igwe! Your Highness! Your Highness!
Doctor, he's going to be all right. Hmm? It's going to be fine, huh?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Sorry about what? Say something!
The king is...
The king is what?
Say something, my man!
The king is already dead.
Shut up! You don't know what you're saying! Get out! Honey. What? Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your son is here.
What cause Sisi?
Call your father. Come. Please. Just go. Call your father, please.
Dad. Igwe! Dad. Igwe. What cause Sisi? Igwe.
Your son is coming. Your son is coming. Shh. Son.
Igwe!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty!
What cause Sisi?
Oh, death, where is thy power? Death, where is thy strength? I ask. Of all the humans in the world, you picked the best. You forcefully snatched him away from us. The king was kind to all of us.
How can you tell me it is okay? Who will my son call father? You don't even understand. The king saw me through school. The king has been taking care of my mother, myself, my son, everyone. Now where do I go to from here? Oh, Dad, if you're crying like this, what do you want us to do? Dad, it's okay now. You'll be fine. Stop crying like this. It's not fair. This is not fair. It's okay, stop crying. Wait.
How could you? How could you steal the breath of a man who was full of life? How cruel can you be? Today was supposed to be a happy day for me. A day I'm to reunite with the entire kingdom. A day I get to reunite with my father after so many years. You chose today of all days to kill the king of this great kingdom, my father. What was his offense? What wrong did he commit? What wrong did he do? You've made my mother a widow. You've made me fatherless. Why are you such a killjoy?
My fellow elders, I strongly believe that the Igbo's death was not ordinary. There's more to it. There's more to it. Huh?
How so, Ichiaya? The doctor said he died as a result of the fall. Besides, no one was with him, as confirmed by Lolo. I believe it was an accident.
Accident? Accident that didn't give him any injury? Why don't you people see this thing from my own point of view? Huh?
Ichiaya, You now know more than the doctor, who didn't suspect anything other than the fall. It is painful enough that we lost our amiable king. But don't make it more painful by instigating unimaginable things. Please.
I understand Ichiaya's logic that we should not put insult into the already grievous injury. We are in a tiring times. Our king, the royal family, and all our community. And as the kingmakers, we have to consign ourselves in the best way possible going forward.
My fellow elders, please, let us not implicate innocent people because of mere sentiments. Caution is the word.
It's okay. It is okay. We have all spoken well. But the big question is, what do we do? How do we go about the sudden demise of our king? Igwe Ikenga, Omife Jidofo Okoli, Awele nke izizi na Awalite Kingdom. How do we go about it?
It's about the death of Mr. Ben Hughes.
I'm listening.
If it might interest you, Mr. Ben Hughes was my sister's ex-husband. Though things did not work out very well between him and my sister. So he's actually a good man, I believe. So due to this, out of my curiosity, I had to run an autopsy, a secret autopsy on his body.
Well, that wasn't necessary. I mean, before he died, I'm aware that he had heart issues. And to crown it all, the autopsy confirmed that.
Well, you got the point there, but the thing is that the autopsy is actually fake.
What?
Yeah, the autopsy is fake, and the wife testimony, I believe, was I think a format or something to move the people away from the reality or something. And Mr. Binyu was actually murdered.
What? He was?
Yeah. With my years as a medical practitioner, I saw the possibility of cold murder. I tested for so many poisonings, so I found that ethylene glycol.
Antifreeze?
Exactly. That sweet-smelling substance. Well, actually, I believe it was added in his food for over a long time. So this results to damage of his kidney or something. Yeah.
Mrs. Hills?
Your guess is as good as mine.
That oil. Could my father have been murdered?
Hey. Come, two of you. Come forward. Now listen and listen good. No one must leave or enter the palace without my approval. Do you understand me?
Yes, my prince.
Consider yourselves dead men if any of you go against my orders. Do I make myself clear? Do we have an understanding?
Yes, my prince.
He was my life, my strength, my comforter, my confidence, the love of my life. He was everything. My husband was always there for me. I've been asking myself, why was I not there for him when he needed me most? I should have been in the bathroom with him. I mean, to do one or two just to save my husband's life. But no, I was not there. I was not there at all. I wasn't there for my husband.
Mom. Mom, it's okay. You have to pull yourself together. You have asked a million questions since we found him dead. But the truth is, your questions won't bring him back to life. It won't. Igwe Kenga was my father, my hero, my mentor, my best friend. And it's quite unfortunate that death took him away on the day we are meant to reunite. And now I am unable to tap from his tapestry of wisdom, his words of encouragement, motivation, inspiration. I feel very bad. But Mom, you need to stay strong. It's very important you pull yourself together. Please.
You don't get it, do you? My heart is bleeding. I mean, I am heartbroken. I feel like, a sharp object pierced my heart. Trust me, my heart cannot be the same again. It will never recover.
Mom, I'm equally heartbroken. My father was killed.
What are you talking about?
My father was murdered in this palace. There's a murderer in this palace, and I'm going to fish them out.
No! Son, that's not true. Hey! I understand how you feel, but believe me, it was an accident. We all saw him. We saw how he died. You even saw it, right?
Mom.
Listen! I know we grieve, but we shouldn't allow it to cloud our sense of reason. It was an accident.
Well, not entirely. It may have been an accident, but it was staged. That's what I mean. Yes.
How?
I gave an instruction that no one leaves or enter the palace until I find out who killed my father.
Do you even know what you're talking about?
We shall see when the time comes. He was killed.
Young man, open the gate for us. Young man, I will pardon the insolence because of the situation in the palace today. Now, go and open that gate.
I'm sorry, no, but I can't open the gate.
What? What did you say?
The prince ordered that no one comes or goes out of the palace without his consent.
Young man, cut the crap and open the gate!
I'm sorry, oh no, but the prince gave us a strict order not to disobey what he has said.
The prince did what?
The prince gave you order not to open the gate for the Ndichie.
Hi!
Arrow, man.
Wonder shall never cease.
Okosisi. Okosisi.
Ndichie.
No.
No.
What an insolence.
Hey!
Nanuka. Okosisi. Okosisi ana.
So, are we going to sleep here or what? What is this thing? I don't understand.
Why, my prince? Why did you give such order against your elders?
Because I believe my father was murdered.
I said it.
The king fell in the bathroom while taking his bath. How come you are talking about murder?
Oh no, it must interest you to know that my father did not just fall and die. Someone arranged for him to fall. Someone killed him. Someone in this palace is responsible for my father's death. And he or she must be fished out.
My prince, but I, as the Ono of this kingdom.
My prince, some police officers are here to see you.
Please let them in.
Yes, my prince.
Police.
My prince, what are the police coming here to do?
They are here to investigate my father's death. And I will advise everyone to cooperate with the police. No one is allowed to leave the palace without my instruction.
There is a dead man on the floor. Everybody are claiming innocence. I am innocent. Are you innocent? Now hearts are bleeding. No one can repair it. Yeah. Some are laughing, some are crying, but you cannot see it on their faces. Who is the killer? Dead man on the floor. On the floor. Who is the killer?
Hope nothing has been done in this room since the body of your father was taken away.
No, nothing. I just noticed the oil.
Good.
I alerted you guys.
This room is going to be sealed until our investigation is over.
That's fine.
And we would like to speak with everyone that have access to this room. That includes your mother, the Queen.
That's okay.
One more thing. We'll be needing a room for that.
That's not a problem. You can always arrange that.
Right. Have you got the captions?
Yeah. I have some photos already and a few videos.
There is a dead man on the floor. Everybody are claiming innocent.
What is your name?
Onyedika, tell us, why did you kill the king?
No, sir, I did not kill the king. I met him lying dead in his bathroom.
So, if you did not kill him, what then happened to him?
I don't know. I only went to the king's room to call him, but met him lying dead.
Who asked you to call him?
Her Majesty.
Interesting. Why, if I may ask?
When the prince arrived, everybody was downstairs to welcome him, except the king, the Igbo. Then the Majesty called me to go and inform the king of the prince's arrival.
Look at me. Look at me! Look at me.
When you went in there to call the king, to tell him about his son's arrival, what did you do to him?
Sir, I did nothing to him. I only met him lying dead in the bathroom. Officer, believe me, I'm telling you the truth. I did nothing to the king.
Did you touch him when you saw him lying on the floor?
No, sir. I did not.
How then did you know he was dead when you didn't touch him?
With Your Majesty, we're sorry to call you out here. We understand. You're not happy at all. But it's important we need to hear from you. Please, Your Majesty.
You know, I'm just sitting here now to listen to you people because of my son. Otherwise, I would have walked you people out.
We're sorry about it. I'm so sorry about that, Your Majesty.
Though we have a separate rooms, but we've always betted together as husband and wife. There's this thing he loves so much. He loves to feel the back talk to the queen. Both of us will just enter there, play for some minutes as husband and wife before taking our bath. He loved it so much. I loved it too. It became part of us. I mean, it became like, you know, a ritual between us ever since we got married. Before you know it, it began to peel away.
How do you mean peel away, Your Majesty?
He started giving excuses. Excuses like, he's tired. He's too busy. We started baiting once in a while. Believe me, that once in a while, the atmosphere was just worse than a funeral ground.
Funeral ground. Did you try to talk things over with him, Your Majesty?
On several occasions, he kept saying the same thing, giving excuses. Between you and I, his excuses were implausible as far as I'm concerned. But what can I say? He was my husband, my Lord. I had to adjust to the new routine
So what about today?
Nothing happened today. We didn't bed together.
He gave excuses today.
What about today, what? Nothing. Nothing happened today. We didn't bed together. Because I had, important things to put in place because we were expecting a son that just arrived today. And met his father dead.
When did you see your husband? I'm talking about this morning before his death.
Just like an hour. An hour before my son arrived.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I went to his room to see if he's ready, but he wasn't, so I hurried him up and left.
Your Majesty, did you by any chance enter his bathroom this morning?
Now what is all this? What's all these questions about? I just told you I didn't. Alright. I did not enter my husband's bathroom. It was just his room. I entered and saw my husband. He wasn't ready, so I hurried him up, like I said earlier.
Your Majesty will have every reason to believe until it's proven otherwise. Tell us, do you have an idea of who entered His Majesty's room this morning before his death?
Chika.
Chika. Who's Chika?
Chika, the chief maiden.
I see.
Hold on, detective. Are you sure you know what you're doing?
How long have you been in this palace?
I've been here for 8 years, sir.
8 years. That means you must have known the late king very well.
Yes, I know him. I am more or less like his personal servant.
So describe the late king.
He was a good man.
Good man. And how good? How good was he?
He was very kind to all of us. He was nice, Inspector.
As a king was good to all of you, like you rightly state. Do you have a personal relationship with the king?
No, sir. Aside from the fact that he takes care of my son.
Oh. You have a son for the king?
I have a son for my boyfriend, who fled after I told him I was pregnant with his child.
This is becoming interesting. So, tell us about it.
Isn't that my private life? Does it have anything to do with all of this?
As long as it has something to do with the late king, it's important. So go ahead. Tell us. Go on.
2 weeks after I had told my boyfriend about my pregnancy,
He left the village without telling me. I tried calling him severally, but couldn't reach him. I became devastated. First, because of the challenges of being a single mother. Secondly, expecting to get sacked for being pregnant in the palace outside wedlock.
Hello, Nasa. Chinasa, I'm in serious trouble. Chibike left the village and has not been picking his calls all this while. That is not even the problem. Nasa, I am pregnant and is responsible. What do you mean by that? Oh, you know he's the only one. Yes, he is. Now I don't know what will become of me. They might just throw me out of the palace. No. Yes. As I told you, he's been wanting to see my mother. I think this is the right time for it. I cannot face the shame anymore. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Yes, bye. Bye. Yes. No, Your Majesty. Even though he lives in this village, we met during our university days. We started dating 7 months ago. When I realized I was pregnant, at first I was very scared. But I still summoned courage to speak to him about it. To my utmost surprise, he was so excited. Your Majesty, he promised to come see my people and do the necessary things traditionally. But after then he disappeared into air. All efforts to reach him has proved abortive. I've done everything to see if I could reach him, all to no avail.
So, who are his parents now?
He's not from this village, so I do not know. Though his mother used to live here.
What of his friends?
His only friend that I know of said he doesn't know his whereabouts. Your Majesty, I beg you, please do not send me away. Don't send me back to my poor mother. I am begging you. I cannot do it.
Nobody's sending you away, so stop crying. Just get up. But whenever you see him, tell him that I want to see him.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. May
You can go now.
the gods continue to protect you. So, detective, that was it. And ever since then, the late king has been very supportive.
Her Majesty, is Her Majesty aware of all this?
Yes, detective. The Queen is very much aware. I had my son in the palace, and the Queen even did Omogo on behalf of my mother, who was sick at the time I had my son. Detective, the Queen stood in the gap. She has been like a mother to me.
A kind real gesture, I guess. So, where is your son now?
With my elder sister. He stays with her.
About the Royal Majesty, did you see him this morning before his demise?
Yes, detective, I did. The Queen ordered me to serve him breakfast on bed. And I did that. After that, I went to clean his room.
Do you believe that a king could have been murdered?
I don't know. I honestly cannot tell, detective.
As the king's personal aide, did you hear or see him in any conflict with a member of this royal household or someone outside the royal household?
Not that I can remember. Yes. Do you know? The Prime Minister to the King. He's always in constant feud with him. Always. He's the only one that I can remember.
Very well then. This is interesting.
Oh no, it's no longer in news that the king was found dead this morning in his bedroom
while awaiting the arrival of his son.
Isn't it?
His death took us all by surprise. In fact, we are hoping to wake up and call it a dream. It is a bitter pill hard to swallow.
How bitter?
Worse than anyone can imagine.
What do you know about the king's death?
How do you mean? What are you insinuating?
Oh no. How is your relationship with the king like?
Very healthy one. Our relationship was very healthy. In fact, we were friends.
Do you have any feud with the late king before his demise?
As you know, my duty is to make the king act in line with the custom and tradition. So we had disagreements, not feud, as you tell me to be.
Anyone of note?
Probably the king's thoughts. According to the law of our land, it is mandatory that every Igwe we hand over the kingship tusk, which is the symbol of authority, to the crown prince on or before his 27th birthday. And the prince will wield it for the whole day and hand it back over to the king. But our king wanted an exemption.
How?
Because the prince was about to turn 27 years. And the king wanted us to relax the ritual. Because he said that the prince may not be able to fly back to the kingdom due to his involvement in a state case in the United States of America, which I vehemently opposed to.
Onowu, if I may ask, what are the consequences of the king's refusal over this ritual?
His family will lose the kingship after he has joined his ancestors.
And if eventually this happens, where will it go to?
It will come to my family. But that doesn't mean I have any hand in his death.
As the palace chief guard, it is safe to say that you are in charge of all the security details of this palace, am I right?
Yes, officer.
From our investigations, we discovered that all the security cameras within the Igwe's chamber were disconnected from the security room 2 years before now. Are you aware of that?
Yes, I'm aware, officer.
Good. So tell us, what happened?
That was the late Igwe's directives. He wanted monitoring all the movements in his chambers by himself. And the software was installed in his phone with regards to that.
What was his reasons?
I don't know actually. He never mentioned it to me. All I do is follow the Igwe's order.
Interesting. So, tell us what happened before the Igwe's death.
I left very early to the airport this morning and the Igwe was still asleep by then. And I returned to the news of his death.
We have every reason to believe that the Igwe's death was staged by an insider. Can you tell us, who do you think would want the Igwe dead so badly, in or outside this palace?
There is a dead man on the floor. Everybody are claiming innocence. I am innocent. Are you innocent? Now hearts are bleeding. No one can repair it. Yeah, some are laughing, some are crying.
I need you to stop this nonsense. Stop it at once. Please. Alright, son, I know it's hard for you. Don't you think it's hard for me as well? We just lost the king, my husband, for crying out loud.
Mom, do you think I'll be doing this if I don't have a good reason? Are you indirectly calling me insensitive?
This is an accident, oh! Listen! It is! You saw it! I saw it! Everyone else in this palace saw it!
Mom, it's an accident. Or it was an accident, fine. But it was staged. It was staged! Okay, let me tell you what I found. I saw oil. Someone put oil on the floor so that my father can step on it. And that was what killed him. Does that make sense to you now? Yes, on the bathroom floor. Someone put it there so he can step on it and fall.
Do you think any of them is capable of killing a king?
I've never thought that far. So I can't actually say for sure.
As a palace chief guard, tell us about the affairs of the king in and out of this palace.
The late Igwe was not an outgoing person. His movements outside this palace were just for meetings and except on rare occasions.
What are these rare occasions? Anyone special?
Nothing. Just for attending functions. And
what? Go on.
Is it really necessary?
Yes, it is. It is very necessary. Right? You need to tell us every information you know. Whether you think it's important or not. Because it might lead us to what we're looking for. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. Yes, the late Igwe had a girlfriend.
Whoa. He was cheating on the queen?
Yes.
Who is this girl?
I actually don't know her. I was never allowed to see her face. I was limited to staying outside the gate of the palace guest house. And they do drive in, the girls. Yes, they do drive in a tinted car. I don't even know if there are more than one.
Anything else?
Yes. I think the late Igwe has a child from another woman.
Why do you overheard him? So why do you think?
Actually overheard him discussing it with someone over the phone. And I think the child should be around 4 years of age.
Don't anyone know about this?
No one, detective, it's just me.
I'm on.
Son.
Are you alright? Who are you talking to?
I was looking everywhere for you. I didn't know you were here.
Yeah, I just came out here to get some fresh air.
Oh.
Yeah, just to ease off the tension around here. It's March. Honestly. To begin with, it was my husband who just died all of a sudden. In addition, police people invaded the whole palace with their questioning, nonsense questions. The whole thing is much on me. It's just too much.
I know. I can't believe he's no more. We had a lot to talk about.
He was so eager for today. Just hoping to see you. I don't know what to say. I can't believe my husband couldn't even see his own son. You know, at times we argue who anticipated more between us.